Rolling like a ball, also known as rolling back. Start sitting and then roll the pelvis back to create a C shape in the spine with the clasping of the shins very close to the knees. You're making yourself into a ball shape here. Inhale to roll back and then exhale to return to that little balance position. In order to create this rolling action, you must maintain the C shape through the spine. I find a cue that works really well here is to keep looking at the knees as you're rolling. Clients will often tend to flatten the spine out and end up looking at the ceiling and then find they can't get back up again. There is a bit of momentum happening here, but try and avoid just using momentum. Feel like you're using your tummy muscles to control that momentum. Lorraine shows us a little prep here, just in that balance position. You deepen the pelvic tilt to roll back and then deepen the thoracic flexion to roll forwards. I find the cue rolling the coccyx back into the belly button to achieve that deepening the posterior pelvic tilt and deepening the C shape in the lower back helps to create the roll back. And then deepen this flexion, so pressing the breastbone into the belly button to deepen that thoracic flexion to roll you forwards. Quite often this exercise, the legs end up looking like you're trying to work on a swing. So sometimes I find that using an overball behind the knees really helps here to keep the knees in a still position.